Finding the courage to change. If only. If only blank would happen, I would be happy. When I think like this, I place my happiness in the hands of another. If only, I give up my own personal power. I depend on another person, a situation, or even a location to make me happy. And when I do this, I become a victim. When I remember that I'm powerless over everything not me, I empower myself. I have total cosmic power over me. And my most important power is over my habits of thought, attitudes, and behavior. I love knowing that I can change my life. I love knowing that changing my thinking will just change my life. I love discovering new perspectives. When I see things differently, I can even change the past because I develop new compassion, empathy, and understanding for myself and others. There are many things that I cannot change. Those I turn over to my higher power. My favorite word these days is the word unconditional. It reminds me to accept life as it comes. I can accept people as they are without any conditions or requirements. I can accept my weather as it is without getting stuck in wishing for something different. I can accept traffic, work, and chores. And I can even go one step further. I can be grateful for my wonderful life. Rain, traffic, work, and chores don't change the fact that I live in a miraculous life. Life is good. Life is fun. Living an unconditional life has great power. With it, I attract miracles into my life every day.